May bago na naman tayong kalaban, boy. Sino naman ang susunod?
Wipe out all the injustice in the world. Dragonborn is back.
Please pick a hero.
Siya, boy. Hindi siya, boy. Bilis ako.
Need some stitches? I can help.
Sabit siyan, boy. Sabit siyan. Sinong susunod na aking ibabalagbag? Sabi lang kayo. Subscribe lang at like mga idol. Ayan yung kalaban ko. Amos to Melissa. Papalag ba yan? Tatas muna.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Papalag ba yan? Yan papalag, boy.
Your turn, Muddles. Just a small fight.
Tapos madali, boy. Ano to? Tamos pa to, boy. Tamos to, boy. Tamos to, boy. Ano to, boy? Tamos pa to, boy. Ano to, boy? Tamos to, boy.
Look at them. Why do you like pathetic abandoned dolls?
Blood.
Barbag. Hindi pa natin, boy. Para mas lalo magalit, boy. Early pa lang.
To forget how to flavor, may be the first one to teach it.
Ano, boy? Palagay, boy. Walang makakapalag ng Melissa ko, boy. Ano?
Business, not my thing. Annoyances. You got me.
Killing spree.
Pagang!
Victory.
Palag! Sino susunod? Yeah.